Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna see a question related to Newton-Raphson method. So here's the question. Newton-Raphson method solution of numerical equation is not preferred when A. The graph of fx is nearly horizontal when it crosses the x-axis. The graph of fx is nearly vertical when it crosses the x-axis, or both A and B condition, or D. None of the above. So we're gonna look at this question. Here we used to select a point where we plot a tangent on that point and derive the answer and find the root to our equation. So the point which cuts the x-axis, the point at which the tangent cuts the x-axis, is known as x1. Therefore x1 is equals to x0 minus fx0 upon f dash x0. So if the graph is horizontal to the x-axis, at the root, then the tangent will be the parallel to the x-axis. Therefore this value f dash x0 would be so small, is nearly to 0. Therefore the value of x1 will be so high. Therefore rather than converging to the solution, it would diverge out of the solution. Therefore we do not prefer the graph with fx which is nearly horizontal where it crosses the x-axis. Therefore the right answer to this question is A, the graph of fx which is nearly horizontal where it cuts the x-axis. Thank you.